My hair looks stupid. What's up, guys, and welcome to Weekends with Deep number 2. And before we get started, I'm going to get a shower, and I'm sorry for the kind of stupid haircut, but it was getting kind of long, so see you in a sec. So today's actually the first Saturday in a long time that I'm not going to Ollie's. The plan is I'm going to meet Killian and Declan at Florence Outdoor Park. If you watch Andy Schrock's videos and the newer ones, a guy named Dallas has been skating with them, and we're going to meet him there, so that should be pretty cool. And after we go to Florence Outdoor, I'm going to Killian and Declan's house to spend the night there. And then tomorrow, we may or may not go to Beach Acres skate park down in Beachmont. Also, it's pretty awesome. I'm getting my new deep board today. It's going to be like the second one that they've sold, so that's really, really cool. Let's get going. Go to Florence Outdoor. Of course.
That's weekend with deep skate team.
Bear and chicken wing. Cool. See that? That's stupid. That's much cooler.
Alright, so I'm at Killian and Declan's house, and we've been skating for a little bit. And I just got my new board when we were at Florence. And it's pretty awesome. And that happened. And Declan's coming out here. And yeah, we're gonna go bomb hills, so let's start some footage.
Kickstart by Mountain Dew. Medical tape. I call medical tape fancy tape.
I think we know how we feel about scooters. Let's go bomb hills! Oh God! Oh jeez! Holy crap! We are going really fast now! Oh God! Whoa! I don't think I got that though. That was cool. That was awesome. What do you have to say?
Screw the system. We're gonna film Killian doing tricks.
This is a trick for Jesse Group. You're awesome, Jesse! I got really scared.
Hi. Well, it's like 7:30, and thank God the weather, that's not rain. The weather held up, so I think we're going to Beach Acres.
Maybe even concrete seriously.
Yeah. All right, here at Beach Acres for the first time. So we're gonna skate at a very wet Beach Acres, for that matter. So let's go.
Whoa.
Well, kind of taking a turn for the worst. It is raining. So now we are going to have a little basement sesh for the next hour and a half. So yeah, Killian, anything to say about this beautiful weather in Cincinnati?